Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna give a full detailed review of these earbuds which I unboxed a week ago. In this video I will say all the pros and cons of these earbuds, and at the last you will get the answer for the question, is this earbuds worth for rupees 800 or not. Now let's jump into the video. Let's start from the first. The first thing is the connectivity. If you want to connect this earbuds to your mobile phone, just pick it out from the case and it gets automatically paired to your mobile phone. From the company side, they said that it ranges about 10 meters. According to my test, it ranges about 8 to 10 meters, which is good. Now, the next one is the fitting. The fitting of this earbuds is good. When you shake your head, it doesn't fall down and it gets perfectly placed in your ear. But when you wear it more than 1.5 hours or 2 hours, your ear starts paining. Now let's talk about the functioning of these earbuds. As the name Bass Buds, these earbuds originally use a good bass experience. It has a 10 mm driver which gives a best bass from the song which you hear. I was using these earbuds for about a week and I noticed that everything was perfect and good while hearing songs. But the problem arises while during a phone call. The voice breaks for about 1 second and you can't hear the voice of the person who are you talking with, and he can't hear your voice for about 1 second. This continues for every 6 to 10 seconds. It doesn't have IPX4 rating, so I won't recommend to wear it while traveling in rain. You can charge both the earbuds in this case for about 2 to 3 times from 10 to 100 percentage, and this case need to be charged for about 1.5 hours to get fully charged. You should use only 5 volt DC power source to charge this case to prevent damages. Both the earbuds in the case are non-magnetic, so you need to push in the earbuds to attach it and pull out the earbuds to detach it. In the company they said that these earbuds have noise cancellation, but the truth is this earbuds doesn't have noise cancellation. When you wear it in your ears, it totally gets fit in your ears and it arrests the noise surrounding you. You can able to hear the noise a little bit only, and if you don't want to hear the noise around you, you can just increase the volume of the song which you hear in your phone and the surrounding noise gets decreased. I have used these earbuds during my online classes also. I didn't see any voice lag, but sometimes the voice breaks as during the phone call, but not as the phone calls. Sometimes the audio breaks. Each of the earbuds have a multifunctioning button on it. If you want to pause the song, just click on the multifunctioning button on any one of the earbuds to pause the song, and if you want to play the song, you need to press the multifunctioning button on any of the earbuds to play the song. If you want to go for the next song, you need to press the multifunctioning button of the right earbuds twice, and if you want to go for the previous song, you need to press the multifunctioning button of the left earbuds twice. And to attend the phone call, you can just press the multifunctioning button of on either side of the earbuds, and if you want to cut the call, you need to press the multifunctioning button for about 2 seconds on either side of the earbuds. I asked myself two questions before buying these earbuds. The first one is that how will be the battery backup, and as the company said the battery lasts for 6 hours. According to my test, the battery lasts for 6 hours and 45 minutes, which is perfect and more than perfect in this price segment. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of these earbuds. The advantages of this earbud is, the first thing is that it has about 10 meters connectivity range, and the second one is the battery lasts about 6 hours, and the third one is the audio quality. The audio quality was perfect and it is a valuable thing in this price segment. The fourth advantage of this earbuds is it has indication lights. It the light blows red in color while it's charging, and when you pick it out from the case, the lights keeps changing from red to blue, and when it gets paired, the blue light blinks off. Everything has advantages and disadvantages. The disadvantage which I saw in this earbuds is the first one is the audio lag. I mean the audio break while speaking phone calls. And the second one is the design. When you wear this earbuds for more than 1.5 to 2 hours, your ear starts paining. And the third one is while you pause and play the song travels from right to left and then only gets balanced. The second question as which I had before buying this TWS is it worth for rupees 800? And now I say this is a valuable thing in this price segment. If you are the person who likes to hear songs with perfect bass, you can try this. I gave the buy link of this TWS in the description box below. If you had any queries or doubts, just leave a text message in the comment section. This video is that's it guys. Hope you guys like it. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys.